Welcome to Tripping Eagle. We all know that travel bug bites hard, but sometimes that travel budget is not so much. Traveling doesn't have to break the bank, especially when it comes to food. Get ready to ditch the overpriced tourist traps and experience a world of flavor. Here are 10 amazing tips to save on food while traveling. The magic of cooking your own meals. Remember those cool Airbnbs everyone's always raving about? They usually come with kitchens, and that is a game changer. Imagine you, in your PJs, whipping up a gourmet breakfast with fresh local ingredients. You'll save cash and control what goes into your food. Plus, think of the bragging rights. You'll be the envy of all your friends back home. Maybe cooking isn't your thing, and that's totally fine. Next up, we're hitting the local markets. This is where the real magic happens. Chat with locals, practice haggling, and discover unique ingredients. Prices are usually cheaper than supermarkets, leaving you with more cash for more adventures. Let's talk restaurants. Avoid overpriced tourist traps with mediocre food. Venture off the beaten path to discover hidden gems. Ask locals for recommendations or follow your nose. The best food experiences often happen unexpectedly. Listen, I'm all about adopting spontaneity when I travel, but there's one thing I never leave home without: snacks. Snacks are your secret weapon against hunger pangs. Imagine this. You're exploring a new city, and the only options are overpriced cafes or questionable street vendors. You reach into your bag and pull out a stash of granola bars, nuts, or dried fruit. Crisis averted. Street food. From sizzling skewers to steaming bowls, street food is an adventure for your senses and budget. Dive in, try new things, and welcome the chaos. Choose vendors with many customers, a good sign of quality and freshness. We live in a digital age, and that means there's an app for everything, including amazing food deals. Download local food apps to uncover unseen delights, score discounts, and become a culinary ninja. From flash sales to loyalty programs, these apps are your secret weapon to eating well on a budget. Hotel breakfasts. Choose a hotel with breakfast included. Load up on carbs and proteins to stay fueled all day. Pro tip: pack extra fruit or yogurt for a bonus snack. Food courts are the unsung heroes of budget travel. They're a smorgasbord of delights, all under one roof. Whether you're craving pizza, sushi, or tacos, you'll find something to satisfy your cravings without breaking the bank. Traveling with friends? Awesome. Traveling solo? Even better. Sharing meals is a great way to bond and save cash. Order a bunch of plates to share. Try more things, avoid food envy, and split the bill. Last but not least, staying hydrated. Dehydration can disguise itself as hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Always carry a reusable water bottle and fill it up whenever you can. It's good for your body and your wallet. That's tips to help you conquer your next trip without sacrificing delicious food. Enjoy delicious meals without overspending while traveling. Go forth and feast like the budget-savvy travelers you are. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips. Until next time, happy adventures!